What's up, guys, and welcome back to another race weekend. This time we're heading to Indianapolis, and I want to start this one off by thanking everybody who has watched the video, everybody who has liked the video, everybody who has subscribed. Jumped up like 52 subscribers this year, and it's really cool. So I hope that we can continue to build this momentum and build this community. So thanks everybody for watching, and share with your friends. Maybe they'll like it too. We're heading to Indianapolis. It's the last race weekend of the year. This one's weird. It's going to be a Thursday, Friday, and Saturday rather than a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Made it to Indianapolis. It's a little after 10 p.m. Tomorrow we go racing. What is this? This is like a video game or something. I don't know what the rules are, but every time I walk under, just waiting for my Uber. We gotta be at the track at like 7 in the morning tomorrow. So let's get some sleep. Good morning. It's Thursday. Welcome to Indianapolis, the racing capital of the world. We got practice one in about 2 hours, and we're all done. So what do we do? I don't know. Let's go. We're in grid for practice one. Hi, Ben.
Hey, ready to go.
I need to kiss the bricks at some point this weekend. It has to happen. Oh shit, we lost your backpack. Got him! Practice one is going great. We got about 2.5 minutes remaining. 2.5 minutes remaining. Don't do it! You looked! He looked!
No, I can't look at the camera.
Turn 10, car off on the left. Turn 10, car off on the That's the checker. Nice work. Really, really solid pace. Right now, P6, less than a second spread between P1. So 1 through 6, actually, honestly, 1 through 10 is all really, really close. Yeah, dude, you kicked ass. Nice work. Solid, solid pace. It's all a mindset, buddy. And I know you're in it this weekend. I can feel it. PJ, that's a green flag for the session. Let's go! This is practice 2! Alright, PJ, we got 14 minutes remaining. Let's box this lap, give them the tire data, and we'll bleed them off and send you back out. That's the checker, PJ. No, it was a really consistent. I mean, your times are pretty much on par with this morning, so you didn't really lose any time from this morning. You had a 1:58.7, which is pretty much exactly where we were this morning. So really, really consistent. Your times really didn't vary that much, but yeah, looking good. Practice 2 down. So now we're prepping for quali tomorrow. So it is now just about 5 o'clock. We are fully prepped. Devin's down at Tech. And then these guys, what are these guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Pads. Compound change.
Changing brakes. It's a goddamn Meineke over here. It's like Coda all over again. Which ones are we gonna use? Nobody knows. Supposed to get thunderstorms tonight, and we go out at 8. So it's probably not gonna dry before we go.
Yeah, I can't see my...
We're not putting them on yet. Not till the last minute. Let's get it. Good morning. It is Friday, which is weird because Friday's not usually quality day, but it is Friday. It's still freaking dark because we're on the western edge of the Eastern time zone, just before 8 o'clock. It is a little damp. It rained last night, thunderstorms last night, and there's a chance of rain possibly during the session. Everybody went on a wets. We're going out on dries. This is gonna be fun. And PJ's gonna show these kids who the fuck he is. So we did this and it worked out. So let's try and go 2 for 2. We're in grid for qualifying. The sun's coming out. And I think it's gonna be dry. Qualifying screen. Let's see what PJ can do. We got about 3.5 minutes remaining of the session. And at the moment, it's looking like the dry gamble didn't really pay off. We're a good like 10 seconds off. So, yeah. It didn't really work. PJ, 2 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Yeah, I know, don't take any risks. Just bring the car back, we'll fight them tomorrow. We picked the wrong tires. It was worth a shot. I respect the shit out of PJ for trying. It was the only one out there on dry tires. The morning commute at a racetrack. So we're starting dead last. That's fun. Wouldn't be the first time we've started dead last, right, Devin?
Yeah, I mean, I spun myself and put myself in 9th at the last race, so they just did it for me this time.
Twice.
Yeah, they did.
Twice.
This time they just saved me the trouble.
Going out for race 1. The whole field's on wets. We picked slicks again. Hopefully it works differently this time. We're ready. Here goes race 1. Us, LAP, and Steve Strymer. Only ones on dries. So they're on the formation lap for race number 1. It has rained heavily in between the 2 sessions. The sun is starting to peek through, as you can see, and the track is really dry. It's not full wet. There's no puddles, but we're really one of the only few who went out on dries.
That's all wet.
Look at that dry line though.
Yeah,
That's a really nice dry line. I still think we made the right choice. All right, pack up, pair up, pack up, pair up, try and catch the field. Yeah, we're watching the live feed. There are still some puddles. The front straight's got a really nice dry line, but there is still a lot of spray coming up off the cars. TCX on the front straight right now. TCX is green. TC is green. Green, 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 green. All right, patience, patience. We'll get them towards the end. Car off, left side at 1, left side at 1. Full course yellow, safety cars coming out, safety car, safety car. A lot of carnage that first lap. You got a car off at turn 1, car off at turn 2. There's also debris center track turn 1. Rescue cruise, driver's right, turn 2. All right, PJ, top 5, we're slowing down. Your pace is faster than the top 5 TCA cars. Yes! Nice lap. It's happening! 11 minutes remaining, and all of the cars that went out on wets are starting to fall back. I'm not really sure if we're even gonna bother fighting for position, but lap time in race 1 determines starting grid for race 2. So at this point, maybe we're just qualifying. Right now, Devin's P7, PJ's P13, but lap times are good enough for like top 5 start for both of them. Playing the long game here. Maybe we can do something tomorrow. PJ's putting down flyers. He's going for pole. I think you're good, man. Nobody's gonna touch that fucking thing. You know where that puts us, but you want me to say it. The minis on slicks just crossed the line. They're the only ones that could even get close to you. You are pole position. Nice work, PJ. That's pole! Pericarpi put down a 158.7 right ahead of you, but he couldn't get you. Yeah, I was watching the times, and like by lap 4, you were faster than everybody else in TCA. And you know, fuck the finishing position, who cares? I mean, it's P6, so fucking points, right? But that's pole position, baby. Woo! For all 4 people watching. Actually, the last one got like 19, okay? Like 19 whole viewers.
He left, he came back.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to tomorrow's pole sitter.
Yes, and I couldn't have done it without this man here.
PJ! We're gonna go fast.
Yes.
And we're gonna kick some ass.
I'm gonna drive like my car's 50 feet wide.
And PJ's gonna have to check another bag, I guess.
Yes, exactly.
Or can that be your carry-on?
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Keep it safe.
I got that here.
Carry it on.
I took my championship trophy with me in my backpack though on the plane. It's good. Yes.
Tomorrow.
Until tomorrow.
For now, we're gonna get a peach cobbler.
Yes.
And some sleep.
Yes.
We'll see you guys in the morning.
Yes. Until tomorrow morning.
My car was still locked, right?
They're having a little street fair, and we're the only ones here.
The parade's gonna be here, right? Yeah. Let's go do that karting thing before. Okay.
Yeah, it's about to get crap.
Actually locked. I'll see you there.
He'll catch up. He's got humongous legs. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's got RPF 1s on it. I'm just saying. Look at him. Those are RPF 1s, dude. Yeah, that's the low downforce design.
The speedway wing.
That's like the, yeah, when they do the ovals. Like the blue one over there on the turntable, that's the high downforce wing.
I didn't realize they had 2 different wings. Oh yeah.
Oh, they have, well, not 2 different, they have 2 different aero packages.
Yeah,
so this is like the low downforce speedway setup. Oh yeah, here you go. You can see like the multi-element front wing.
Yeah.
So this is like the road course setup. We're going to the driver's meeting, I guess.
Please no bumping. This is how you put on a helmet.
This is your card. The gas pedal is on the right and the brake on the left.
You can't power brake.
Don't push on both pedals.
Don't push both pedals at the same time.
Varnished.
See the second one up from the bottom?
Yeah.
That's the one you're gonna see. That means there's an autocrosser behind you. So,
I had a few bad marks.
I mean, do you guys want to just put me in the car tomorrow, or?
Yeah, go for it. No one knows. I hate the back. What? Do a burnout! Woo!
Good morning, world. It is Saturday, and it's race 2. And I know race 2 is usually a Sunday thing, but the 8-hour endurance race is tomorrow. So Saturday is race 2 for us. Good chance for a double podium today. I'm ready to miss my flight for this podium, that's for sure. We are gridded up for race number 2, and at the front of the grid where we belong. You ready? There's nothing I want more than to miss my flight. I will make you miss your flight.
Thanks, team, for a great season.
Thank you for an amazing season too.
Let's go. 1 minute warning, PJ, 1 minute. 30 seconds. PJ, start establishing that gap, start establishing your gap. Safety car lights are out, coming in this time. All right, PJ, they're asking you to increase your gap. All right, TCX is green, TC is green. Okay, safety car, they're asking you to catch up to the pack. Coming into turn 1, stay to the right. We'll have rescue cars on the left. Safety car lights out. Green. PJ just got punted by one of the Hondas and now he's stuck in the mud. What turn? Are you stuck? Okay, try and get it free. Tell me what happened. Turn 10, 780. Yeah, again. That's the checker, PJ. I'm sorry, man. It's a fucking shame. So I had to kind of scoot right out of there, but I made it to the airport. So yeah, the race 2 didn't really go as planned. PJ started P1, but ended up dropping down. People are looking at me funny. Ended up dropping to 3rd and then got punted and off the track into some really soft grass. Got stuck and then had to be pulled out, and then they towed him off of the track into the infield, and then he had to go through the paddock into the pit lane and then out, and he was 3 laps down by the time he got back to the track. Devin's car had some type of check engine light issue and he was just off the pace. Under the safety car, they came in, cleared it, and went back out, and his pace increased, but he went like a lap down. What could have been. Now I'm at the airport waiting to go back home. Hope you guys enjoyed the inside look. It's been a lot of highs, a lot of lows, a lot of fun stuff here and there, but it's been kind of cool to sort of bring my camera with me and show what we go through. It's not always fun and games. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.